I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling until I land it, so that might be a while. Or not very long at all. It's closer. It's just hard, you don't get as much momentum. It's scary. Every time, like halfway through the flip, I feel like I'm gonna die. So then I start to like untuck, which ironically makes the flip worse than if I just full sent. The other thing is, like, it doesn't make it more dangerous because I'm like getting ready to let go of my arms, but it just makes the flip harder to land. So I just need to full send essentially. Also, I'm cheating by going over the shoulder to make it a little safer, which in my opinion actually makes it harder to land. So it's like a safety versus difficulty thing here. As I get more confident, my goal is going to be just to start setting a little more up. Okay, I kept the grab that time. I think I'm gonna step into one just to feel what it feels like to land again. See, the difference in power isn't that much. It's just like that momentum, which just makes you a little less afraid. Yes! Yes! That was it, guys. That was it. So essentially the difference is the step in gives you a little bit of backwards momentum, which is supposed to give you more power, but the biggest thing for me is it just makes it less scary because you're already kind of going back. And then when you're standing, there's just no momentum. So let me try and land it again. I mean, I'm already happy with that land. I'm just gonna try to land it again. To make it true, and then that's it. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! All right, I'm getting greedy. I'm getting greedy. Third and final time, and we're done, guys. So happy I landed that and I wasn't too greedy. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.